Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Crypto Analyst here. I hope all of you guys are having a good morning, evening, wherever you guys are from. Today we're going to be talking about a couple different topics, starting off with Ripple's entryway into China, as well as really all the other countries that they have been partnering with recently and where that's going and where Ripple's going. We're also going to be talking about what Europe's planning to do with cryptocurrency and how it's on the top of their list for their 2018 agenda, as well as take a look into the bull market that we have just entered into and where is it going, and is it fake, is it real, and really kind of just the whole entirety of where crypto is going to be going in the future. So if you guys are interested in any of the topics I just mentioned, please make sure you guys stay for the entire duration of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to talk about Ripple's recent partnership with China and what that means, and as long as what they've done recently here. So if you guys don't know, Ripple has been partnering with a number of countries and working their way across the globe. I talked about this in my live stream yesterday, so if you guys did watch the live stream, you guys had a big heads up for what was going to happen today and why it happened. So Ripple has partnered with America, Brazil, Poland, United Kingdom, Spain, South Korea, Japan, and now they are working their way through China. So they are going through all the economic giants with the exception of Russia, and they are just taking over. They are planning themselves in every way that they can using Xcurrent, Xrapid, XRP, the company Ripple itself, getting its name everywhere. And we have MoneyGram that's not really tied down to like a specific country, but what we see is that Ripple is placing themselves in all of these countries and they're growing. And what we're realizing here is that they are being very, very effective in the way that they're handling China, which is not something I thought I would see anytime soon, if I'm being completely honest. But Ripple they are tearing their way through China right now, and it is going extremely well. Second thing off here is that we are going to be talking about what Europe is going to be doing with cryptocurrency. So guys, Europe has been a hot name recently because they are not too active in the whole cryptocurrency landscape, and they're almost lagging behind. So what they've done is that we see that the cryptocurrency, or the title of this article is that cryptocurrency tops EU's Watchdogs 2018 agenda. What this means is that they have a number of things that they want to cover in 2018, and they move cryptocurrency to the top of that agenda as one of the first things that they're going to discuss, and is going to be one of the primary topics that they want to tackle and get a handle on over this year. And I think what they're going to do is they're realizing that cryptocurrencies are a very good thing for the economy and the market, and that they're helping all these other countries out so much that they're not invested and they're not a part of this. And I think they're realizing that they actually need to go ahead and jump in here before it is too late. So I believe that this isn't a bad thing when they're saying that they're putting it at the top of their agenda. I think it's one of those things where they're saying, hey guys, we got to get in here before we miss out, and I will hold to that word. If you guys know anything about my predictions, they are extremely accurate, and that's nothing like a brag. It's just if you guys watch back any of my videos, almost all of my predictions are fairly accurate or extremely accurate. But moving on to our third point here, we're going to talk about the bull run. So if you guys watched about 2 videos ago or 3 videos ago, I talked about how there is going to be a bull run in the future. Again, I'm not a wizard, so I can't give an exact day of when, or exact date and time of when it's going to happen. I just know that I just knew that a bull run was coming, and so I made that video. And I think even on the thumbnail of the video, I was like, potential bull run, or a huge bull run coming. And I put it in my Discord as well, if you guys are a part of that. I said, guys, get ready, there's going to be a big bull run coming. I put it in 2 separate Discords, and people were like, what do you mean, how do you know? I said, you know, it's going to happen. I explained it to them. But yeah, if you guys watch my videos or are a part of my Discord, you guys knew that this was happening and that knew that this was coming. But yeah, we look at this, and so what we do is we see XRP. All right, I'm going to talk about a couple things in this video, and what I'm actually going to save this for a second video. And so what I'll do is I'll upload a video after this video explaining what all this is and what happened. But this is something, guys, that I called that was going to happen, and so I hope you guys took a part of that. And this is something I also told about Tron. Now Tron is having a healthier jump than even then. Yeah, this is on Binance. Yeah, so we see this. This is, wow, this is looking good. 416 Satoshis all the way to 556 Satoshis. So that's a good healthy jump for Tron. Wow. So if you guys, again, if you guys did listen to that, that's awesome to hear, and I hope you guys did really pay attention. The total market cap, as I said it would go over $400 billion, and now we are at almost $423 billion. So another prediction that I made a couple of days ago. So if you guys watched that or even heard that prediction, that would have helped you guys out a lot too. Ripple is chugging its way. I said a couple days ago as well that Ripple would be one of the top coins for recently, as we saw the market start tanking and Ripple was barely budging. We saw that I did a video showing that Ripple was in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, or it was top 10 or 15 despite the whole market going down. It was still in the top percentage-wise as having some of the least amount of losses in the recent time frame, as well as Steem, which is another coin I talked about on my channel. And they are both doing very good right now. As we see, Ripple's up 21%, as well as, and we can actually go and judge here. I don't know what all the things are. Yeah, so eCoin is still up 500, but I did a video on that in my live stream yesterday talking about how it was up 1,600% or something like that. So yeah, but we see Ripple up here and we see Tron, two coins that I am very bullish on, and I think that there's money to be made here. Quantum is another great coin, but I don't want to ramble on too much about this. I just want to make sure I brought this news out to you guys, as well as telling you guys that the market is on a bullish trend for now. If we do see some pull, I want to make sure I say this before we go. If we do see some pullback here, this is nothing to be nervous of. This is going to be completely healthy and normal. Just make sure that we got, guys, like, we see this, right? We see this massive green candle. Anytime that there's a massive green candle like this, there's bound to be some sort of red. And okay, I can't zoom in that much. But this is the December jump. But for now, guys, I would just warn, or not warn, but say if there is red, don't panic sell. It's going to go up more than this. And I think cryptocurrency is on an uptrend from here. Now is probably the worst time you could sell and pull your cryptocurrency out. It really is. It's probably the worst time you could do it. So if you guys are looking to sell, I would completely recommend holding, but I'm not a financial advisor, so do what you guys think is right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it did help. If you guys agree or disagree, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you guys have any video suggestions, be sure to leave those down there as well. I will be making a video right after this one explaining what's happening with the market here and doing a technical analysis of Tron and XRP. So look forward to that coming out pretty shortly after this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton. And even share the video if you guys really did enjoy it that much. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video.